Okay, so last time you learned about select command, but most of the commands that we have taken up were simple. Now we'll continue with this one and I will show you the live demo also with MySQL Workbench. Okay, so this time in this presentation, we are going to, we'll be answering this by the end of this video. Show me CSE or ECE students aged between 18 to 22 sorted oldest first with no duplicate departments. So here we are going to utilize four things together, either CSC or this in, or aged between, that is between, sorted, that means order by, oldest first means descending order, no duplicates, no duplicate department means distinct. So you will learn, you are going to learn so many things here in this video. So be with me and let us see one by one. Okay. So by the end of this video, you will write it in one line. So let's take one by one all the pieces. So this is our table and this we need it in our MySQL workbench first. Okay. So six students and their data, so that we are going to see first how to create the table that we have already learned previously. So I will do that for you and then we'll run the commands one by one. Okay, so fine. So let's create this table first in MySQL Workbench. Correct. Let's see it. So I'm opening MySQL Workbench. Okay, we were working on this one. Yeah, and you can run the same command on MySQL server also. So we have to run this one. Started. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me clear this one. Now let's see our first thing. Yeah. So first we have to create this database college and under that we'll create a table student. Yes, so let's do that quickly. Create database. And here I'm going to utilize a new keyword if not exists. Okay. So if that is not existing, it will create it. It will check that. Basically with this command, it will check the existing databases. Okay. So fine. So this one we have to do first, and then after that, we'll run it first. Okay, so it's done. The next one I will use as we are already doing, use college. And after that, first I'm showing to you, I'm just to recall you the drop command, drop table. So there is another way also to check it first, drop table if exists student. So obviously it is not existing right now, but just to show you, okay, yes, these commands, if exists, if not exists, these you should utilize in a professional practice. Okay. So, okay. Use college is done. And then drop table if exists student done. Now we have to create this table that we are going to do now. Let me do it very quickly for you. So create table. You can guess the next steps with me, and if you're going right you can match. Yes, so integer sid and we are making it a primary key, first thing. Then next one is name, I'm making it as varchar, and then length I'm giving it as 50 and it should not be null, so that is one more constant I added. Department varchar, Length I'm keeping as 20, and then age integer. So that is the thing, and in this way our table will be created. Correct. Fine. So now we want to insert some data that we have in our table as I've shown to you in the PPT. Okay, let me do that for you. Yeah. To insert to table student, and then its attributes and age, and then its values. So my first value I'm giving as 1 Ravi. So this is our first entry, and now I want to give the second and second row also along with this. So how can I do that? So this you have to learn. So second one is Priya, and then branch is ECE, and then age is 20. Okay, fine. So in this way, I have to give my all rows. Okay. So here I have written all the rows, and in this way you can append as many rows as you want. So first Ravi, second Priya, third Ahmed, fourth Sneha, fifth Kiran, and sixth is Divya, and I close it with semicolon. So that is our insert command. So let me run that. So it's done. Now we want to check our table. So as we have done in the last video, select star from student, and our table will be displayed. This is our table as I've shown to you in the PPT. Correct. Okay, so this will be our playground today, and on this one we have to do certain things, certain operations that I'm going to tell you. What are different things that you are going to learn now? As I told you, 4 different things we are going to cover up in this one. So let's see them one by one. Let me go back to our PPT. So now see. So this is the thing. Yes, where we are going deep dive. So this table we have already created now. SID, name, department, age. Okay. Now let's query it in all the possible ways. First, where. So where will do what? Where will filter the rows? Where will filter the rows? So that is the thing. So where is utilized to filter the rows to give the conditions. Okay. So you have seen equal to. Yes. But there is a whole family of comparison. Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. In this way, we can utilize any of the comparison operators. These are called as comparison operators. Please remember it. Okay, so we are going to utilize this. Yes, so we are selecting only those students whose age is greater than 20. Okay, and next we want to choose those students who belong to the department CSC and age is greater than 20. So let's run both the queries in MySQL workbench. Okay, or you can utilize or also. Then what will be the difference in the result? So we will see that. Okay, so let's see this one, the where clause, how it will work. So let's go to our workbench. Yes. Now let's run these queries. Where? The comparison. So first one is where the student age is greater than 20. So let me do that. Select star, and we are displaying completed from student where age is greater than 20. So let's see what will be our result. So the students whose age is greater than 20 is only Ahmed, Kiran, and Divya. So that will be displayed. I hope you got this. Now what next one? By keeping AND operator. So this one will be there. So I'm just copying it, and I am adding one more thing where department. So the name is department is CSC and and ages greater than 20. So let's see its result. Now see, only CSC department is displayed. Kiran is being removed. So I hope you can see the difference. Now let's move to the third one. Okay. Now let's try OR operator. So instead of AND, I am giving as OR. Okay, let's see the difference. So you will get both values. That time with AND operator, it is only one, both of them. Now with OR, either this or this. Now let's run that. So it will display any of the rows which are, satisfied with this condition. Either they belong to CSC department or their age is greater than 20. Okay. So here you will see why this is being displayed. Although age is less than 19, but department is CSC. That's why it has been displayed. Now see, I will show you one more query with this one. Suppose I want to display the data of those students who does not belong to the department CSC. Okay, so let's see what we will get. So see, what will you write? You will write down where department not. Okay, okay, that we want to do where department is not CSC. So I'm removing the age condition. So you just have to append one operator where not department CSC. Okay, so let's run it. And it displayed all other departments except CSC. So that is our query. Okay, so these are certain things in which we utilize all where clause. Okay, so that is the thing. Let's move to the next one, that is between. So that is about where. Next one is, so here the thing is, in remember your unit number 2, there we worked on relational algebra and there we utilized this operator selection. So it works like this where condition. Okay, and or not, they are your logic glues. Okay, that you have to, that you can utilize. Or and means both conditions must be true, or means at least one of them should be true, not means flip the condition. Now our next one is between and in. Okay, so here the thing is like, suppose we want to display the data which the age is between 18 to 20. 18 and 20. So age should be greater than or equal to 18 and age should be less than equal to 20. Yes. Then we will use one operator between, where age between 18 and 20. We'll run that in MySQL Workbench and I'll showcase it to you. Then next one is in, one of several. That means basically where department in, either CSC or EC. So it works like your OR operator. Everyone except Sneha will be displayed in this one. So let's check out this one, how it will work in Workbench, between and in operators. Fine. So our next one is between. We will try out between. So we have to select the student data where age is between 18 and 20. Fine. And then we'll try in operator. So let me use this one. Select star from student where age, which is small case, where age, and I'm going to utilize the operator, the command between 18 and 20. Let us see this. So see, between 18 to 20. So it will give you the data which is greater than or equal to 18 and which is less than or equal to 20. That is the operation of between. I hope you got it. Fine. Okay, now let's try out in operator very quickly. So select star from student where department. Now we are putting this condition in operator on department where department is either CSC or EC. That is the thing. Okay. So see, either CSC or EC. No other mechanical is being removed. So that has been displayed. Yes. So fourth entry is being removed because of this. So these are just cleaner forms of, it's like where age is greater than equal to 18 and age is less than equal to 20. So I'll write down that one also for you. So they work same. You'll see that. Okay. If I'm writing like this, okay, let me run that only for you. So instead of writing like this, where age is greater than equal to 18 and age is less than equal to 20. It will also display the same result as between 18 and 20. Okay, you can check it out. And that is the thing. Fine. In the same way, for this second next one, where we have utilized in operator, it works same as where department is CSC or this one. I'll let me take this one only so that we can do it quickly. Where department is CSC or department is EC or department is CE. So that is the thing, and it will display the same result. I hope you got this. Now let's move to the next one very quickly. So that is our between operator. So use between for ranges, in for list. Okay, so it is the shorter and cleaner way to run queries. Next one is like. Here we are going to match the pattern. So like r% means any number of characters. Okay, so it should start from r, that means where the name is starting from r, and after that as many characters are available you can utilize, and where the name is ending with a, like Sneha, Divya, where name is like underscore r, that means exactly one character. Okay, that means exactly one character. So here before r there should be exactly one character. Okay, exactly one character. So let's see how it will work. So let's try them out. Fine. Okay, let's try them out in your workbench. So we'll take the first one. So our first one was where name. So this time we are going to work on the condition name. So select star from student where name. This we have to change. Where name, and we are going to utilize the operator like, and this time we are utilizing r percent. R percent. That is the thing. Okay. Let's see what will be the result. Okay. So I have to, yes, your name is like this. Yes. Yes. So only Ravi is being displayed. Correct. Yes. So that is the thing. So let's change our question. Now the question is like the name should be like, it should end with A. Now let us see like percent and small e. Yes. Now let's run it. So it has displayed Priya, Sneha, Divya. All three names are displayed with last alphabet is E. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's run one more. Percent, I, percent. So in between I should come. So let's check out that one. Percent, I, percent. Now, any characters before I, any characters after I. So that should be our result. So Priya, Ravi, Kiran. So I, wherever I was there in between, that has been displayed. Nice. So it contains I. Basically, that is the thing. Now, next one, last one, we will try one more where name is like R, but R should be the second one. Yes. And after R, anything. So second letter should be R. So that is the query. So second letter R is only Priya. So that is our result. So that only we have discussed in our PPT. And I hope you got some idea what will be your results. Now let's see and move to our next one. So that is our pattern matching. Okay. And it has been asked a lot. Yeah. This with like. Now let's move to the next one. So next one is order by. So order by clause, what does it do? It, as the name suggests, it will sort out the results. So first way is to do the ascending. Ascending. So smallest one will come first. Descending. Largest one will come first. Sort by department, then age. In that way also we can give. So suppose you want to sort out the age in ascending order. Then you will give like this. Select star from student, order by age, and order should be ascending. In the same way, descending, DESC. Now, if you want to order by department, then age, then you will give first like this, department, comma, age, and then descending. So it will group by department, oldest first inside each. So let's try them one by one. How will it work in workbench? Yeah, let's go to workbench. Yes, yes. So this is the one. Let's run these queries. So now we want to perform order by. So select star from student. This time we are using order by clause. Order by age, and we want to do it ascending. So ASC. So youngest first will come. So let's run it and see. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So youngest one came first. Now let's try the descending one. DSC, and let's run it. So the oldest one came first. Now next one, we want to order by department then age. So order by department, comma age, and then we want to display it as descending. Now let's see what will come. So it will display the result first by department, then by age. Department, age, descending. Okay, so that is the thing. I hope you got it. So the uppermost letter came first, C, and then E, and then M, and then H. The highest one, like that. Yes. So first it will check this one, CSC. So even if CSC is 19 here, so CSC will be displayed first because we have given the department first. Okay. So that is the thing. I hope you got this. Now let us move further to our next part of queries. That is, we will see now distinct. So now we want to remove duplicates. So we are coming towards the end of our four things that I told you that we are going to discuss. Hmm. Now let's see. One of each. There should not be any repetition. Okay. If you will give like this, select department from student, then it will display the duplicates also. Like CSC, 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 ECE also two times. But if you'll give distinct, then it will just display them once. Okay. So you just want to see how many departments are available. Then we want to display only departments. So let's see. How will you write down? You will write down select department. Instead of start, now we want to display only department from student. So that one column only we are targeting. Let's see how it will work in workbench. So I want to display, it's a very simple query. I will show you difference in both. So first one is select department from student. That is our first one. Let's see its result first. So it will display the complete department column. CSC came thrice, EC came twice, mechanical was already one. Now let me run this query with distinct. I don't want duplicates. So select. Now I will add one more operator, distinct department from student. Now let's run it. So what will happen? CSC came only once, EC came only once. Now it is telling us clearly how many departments are available. No duplicate data. Okay, I hope you got this one. Now let us see the next one. That is our set operations. Okay, so in set operations in select with select commands in MySQL, again like we did in algebra, union all rows from both, intersect rows in both queries. Okay, except rows in first but not available in second. So MySQL has union, intersection, except works only with some versions. Okay, so we can simulate them with in not in if that is not available. Okay, so let's see how it will work. So let's work on union. Suppose I want to perform union of union with self, matlab student and student again. Student union student. But what will be the criteria? In first condition we are giving department as CSC, and in second condition we are giving A should be greater than 20, and we want to perform union on them. Okay, then how will it work? That I want to show to you. So let's see. Okay, this is the one. So select name from student where department is CSC. And then select name from student where age is greater than 20. And then we want combined data, no duplicates. Then we will append union between these two queries. So it will give us the result. In the same way, select name from A, select name from B, then perform intersection. Any two tables. If you have only one table and you want to perform these operations on the self table, so you have to write down both queries with the same table. Okay. So older trick was what? Select name from A, where name in, then your inner query. Okay, that is also one way. In and exists. So that these are called as nested queries also. This is your inner query. Select name from B that you have written for the second one. This is for the older versions. Okay. For the newer versions, it will work. It will work. And now for the older versions, what we used to do, if intersection or except is not working, where name in. So in operator you have already utilized. So it will check this one. Select name from B, and then it will display the names. Okay. I hope you got some clarity. Yes. So let us try these commands first, set operations. A few more things I'll tell you while working on Workbench. So first I want to perform this union. Okay. So here we are doing union. So what we are going to do first one, union. I want to select name from student where department is CSC. First thing. Okay. And then my next query is, I'm giving some space just to make you understand. My next query is where age is greater than 20. So I'm writing it again. Select name from student where age is greater than 20. Correct. So, but I want combined data of both. So I will append union. That is the thing. So let's run it. It will give you both. Okay. Which is part of both CSC and then age is greater than 20. Yes. So it will combine the result. So this is our result. If you want to see it, select star from student. See, name where department is CSC, Ravi, and age is greater than 20. So this will also come greater than 20. So this will not come. Ahmed will come. Both conditions are satisfied. Kiran will come because age is greater than 20. And Divya will come. So that was our answer. That was our answer. Ravi, Ahmed, Divya, and Kiran. So I hope you got it. Now in the same way, we can perform common to both. So instead of union, we'll write down intersect. Let's see. So, okay. So it is not going to work in this version. So that is, so we can run the previous version as per the previous version. Okay. So here only one change we want to do. Select name from student where department is CSC and okay. So that we are going to, so it works like and. So this will work here. Let me wait. Let me try this first. Select name from student where department is CSC, first condition, and name. So it has to check in the inner query. So we have to utilize that inner query and we have to give that inner query in brackets. I hope it should work in this version. And so, okay, I missed this part and name. So we want to check the name and name in this query. So yes, this will work like intersect. Okay. So yes, Ahmed and Divya, only two are common. So that is the thing. In the same way, if you want to work on except this condition minus that condition, so that also check once. Okay, so it is not working. It is the previous version. That's why. So in this one, what we are going to do again, we are going to work on the same thing and name. This time we'll use not in. So that will work same. That is the thing. Okay. So you can see this is the one. So except only one condition got satisfied, that is Ravi. So this is our except. So this is union, intersection, and except. That is our set operators that I wanted to show to you. Now, next thing, the next part of this video is all together that I told you in the starting of the video that we have to solve that one question, all four conditions together. We have to display the department name and age from the student table, having no duplicates first. Either they belong to CSC or EC, then their age should be between 18 to 22, and we have to sort them out in descending order. Yes, so we are going to utilize all of them together in one query. Okay, so let's see that and let's do this last query in our workbench and then you are ready to run such queries. Please practice a lot as much as you can. Okay, so let's see. Let's run this query. So the query is select distinct. I want to display department name, age. From which table? Student table. From student. Where? Now my next condition. Where department should be either CSC or EC. Okay. And my next condition. Age should be between. Now we'll use our between operator between 18 and 22. Next condition. Now lastly we want to order by them age, that too in descending order. So that is our query. All four things came together and let's see what is our result. So that is our result. Satisfying all the condition, it has just displayed department name and age. So that is the thing. I hope you got this and you can run such queries by yourself. The thing is you have to practice. Practice will make you perfect in this one and you'll not miss out anything in your exam. Okay. So next I wanted to discuss with you this some questions that can be asked in exams. Okay. So on like keyword with percent and some wildcards, it can be asked for 3 marks. They will give you 2 3 questions on this one. Difference between where and having will come up in the next lecture that I'll show to you. So where clause, everything, I think most of the queries we have done, but yes, we are going to utilize where in our further queries also. Write a query utilizing between keyword, in order by together. What does distinct do? What is the purpose of distinct? Give example. Explain union, intersect versus accept. I hope you can practice them and write these answers. So this is for you. Okay. So on the student table, you have to give answers to these questions. First question is display the students whose name contains letter I. First thing. Okay. Yes. So like percent I. So in between I should come. Students who belong to CSC or mechanical using in operator. Age should be between 19 to 22. Sort them with the youngest first. The distinct list of ages. Union, name of CSC students or students older than 21. So please do these questions, practice them out and drop your answers within the comments. And we'll move further with the MySQL, and I'm going to take some new concepts also in between, um, which you are going to utilize a lot in your exams and which can be asked in the exam a lot. So thank you for watching, students. Thank you for subscribing my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.